Alright, Yon World, we back with another one. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over how to upload and sell NFTs in 2021. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Today on my channel, I want to share how to upload and sell NFTs. NFTs are new digital art. It's taking over the internet right now, and it's a big opportunity for those of you who are interested in uploading and selling NFTs. Even if you aren't an artist, you can still get NFTs created for you and upload them onto this marketplace. Now, the number one marketplace to sell NFTs is called OpenSea, right? The website is OpenSea.io. I'll have a link in the description that you can check it out, but if you just search OpenSea, it shouldn't be hard to find. Now, once you come to OpenSea, in order to interact with this website, you can go on here, you can search and view the different collections and the digital art that they have listed, right? But in order to interact and upload your own NFT onto OpenSea, you have to connect your wallet, right? You have to connect a cryptocurrency wallet to the website. You can do this through MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Coinbase Wallet. I use Coinbase Wallet. As you can see, I'm signed in right now, and that's the first step you have to do. The first step you have to do is connect your wallet, right? Once you connect your wallet, right, you'll be able to come on here and create. So in order to list an item, right, a digital piece of art to be sold on OpenSea, you got to create a new item. And here you just simply drag and drop an image, right, that you got created. I got this image created as an NFT. Here you will list the product name, right? Product name for it, any external link that users can click to learn more details about your picture, a description. You can categorize it within a collection, right? You can edit the supply, meaning the number of copies that can be minted. You can do this on your own, or you can say it's one copy, or you can say it's 100 copies, however many copies of you want to be minted on the market. You can change the supply there, right? Right here, you can change the blockchain if you want it on Polygon or Ethereum, right? And then you would create. Now, I've created an NFT already. If we go to my profile, I made this one already, and you can see it's listed right here in the untitled collection. Now, to take it a step further, to actually list it on the marketplace, you have to go under listing. Once you've created your NFT, see, it's free to create the NFT, or you can create any NFT on OpenSea for free, and it'll be listed within your collection, on your profile, right? It'll be listed right on your profile, right? So in order to list that for sale to the marketplace, you have to go under listings and click sell, right? And here you can set a fixed price or a timed auction, right? And then you could enter in any price, like I would say 34.2 ethereum for my digital art. That's what I believe it's worth. And then you would go to complete listing, and from here, you would initialize your wallet, approve the token, and confirm the listing for the price, right? Now, when you go to your phone and you confirm the listing, you have to pay a gas fee. So keep that in mind when you listing NFTs on OpenSea. You do have to pay for each listing, basically. So that's my video on NFTs. How to upload and sell NFTs is very simple. After you confirm, initialize your wallet, your NFT will be on the marketplace, available for everybody to see on OpenSea. And you can set the price. You can set it as an auction, and it's very simple to do. So Y'all have any questions about NFTs, please leave a comment. Turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. That's my video on how to sell NFTs online. Thank you for watching. I'm out. Peace.